Want to learn how to order food in English? Watch this simple conversation between two people and learn useful phrases step by step. Stay until the end to practice speaking and understand every word.
Hi there. Welcome to KFC.
Hi, thanks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
Great. What would you like today?
I'm in the mood for some fried chicken.
Good choice. How many pieces would you like?
Maybe 6 pieces.
Original or spicy?
Let's go with spicy.
Okay, 6 spicy pieces. Would you like a combo or just chicken?
What comes in the combo?
You'll get fries, a drink, and a biscuit.
Sounds good. I'll take the combo.
What drink would you like?
Pepsi, please.
Regular or large?
Just regular is fine.
Got it. Would you like any sauces?
Yes, barbecue and ranch.
Sure. Anything else?
Can I also get a small coleslaw?
Absolutely.
And maybe a chocolate chip cookie.
One cookie coming right up.
That's all for now.
Perfect. Let me repeat your order.
Sure.
6-piece spicy combo with fries, Pepsi, biscuit, barbecue, and ranch sauces, 1 small coleslaw and a cookie.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is 42.50 SAR.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
No problem. I'll wait here.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
Yes, I've been craving this all day.
Busy day?
Very. I skipped lunch.
Then this meal will taste even better.
I bet it will.
Do you come here often?
Once or twice a month.
That's great.
The service is always good here.
Thank you. That means a lot.
And the chicken is always crispy.
That's what we're known for.
My friends love it too.
You should bring them next time.
I will. We could make it a group lunch.
Sounds like fun.
Do you work every day?
Almost. I'm here 5 days a week.
That's a lot.
It is, but I enjoy it.
That's good to hear.
Your order is ready.
Oh, great.
Here's your bag. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Come back soon.
I definitely will. Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi.
I was actually sitting here.
Oh no, I didn't realize. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I just stepped away to grab my drink.
I should have asked before sitting. My apologies.
No worries. It happens.
Are you okay with me sitting here for a bit?
Well, I was planning to work here.
Got it. I'll find another spot.
Wait. It's okay. You can stay if you want.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's a public place after all.
Thank you. You're very kind.
No problem.
I didn't mean to make it awkward.
It's all right. It just caught me off guard.
Totally understand.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, just taking a break from work.
Oh, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
Nice. Freelance?
Yeah, I like the flexibility.
That's cool. I'm a student.
What are you studying?
Literature.
That's impressive.
Thank you. I love reading and writing.
I wish I had that patience.
It's not always easy.
Do you come here often?
Kind of. I like the vibe.
Yeah, it's cozy.
They make great coffee too.
Totally agree.
So, what were you working on?
A poster design for a local event.
Can I see it?
Sure.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Thank you.
I love the color scheme.
I was unsure about it. Glad you like it.
You have a good eye for design.
That means a lot.
Ever done book covers?
A few, yeah. Why?
I'm writing a short story collection.
No way. That's awesome.
Thanks. I might need a designer someday.
I'd love to help.
Great. I'll keep that in mind.
So, are you working on something now? Just editing a chapter.
Can I read it? Maybe later, when I'm more confident.
Fair enough.
You're actually very easy to talk to.
Same to you.
Well, I guess sitting together wasn't so bad.
It turned out to be a nice surprise.
Life is funny like that.
Agreed.
Would you like to grab a coffee together next time?
I'd love that.
Cool. Let's stay in touch then.
Definitely.
Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.